Hi, welcome to Pack Expo. Today we're going to review ABB's picking, packing, and palletizing product offer. This is the IRB 360 robot. This is ABB's primary offering for the high-speed pick-and-place market. This robot that we have here is operating at about 140 pick-and-place cycles a minute. We utilize this for handling unwrapped food products and primary wrapped products for carton loading applications. The real technology behind high-speed pick-and-place is not only the manipulator. We use our Pickmaster 3 software product to merge three critical technologies together: robot motion, conveyor tracking, and vision guidance inside the work cell. One of the key features of our Pickmaster 3 product is that it writes the software for you. You go through a series of drag and drop functionality on the PC, and it writes 95% of the software for the work cell operation. ABB has been in the high-speed pick-and-place market since 1997. And we have introduced more than 5,000 Delta robots into production high-speed pick-and-place applications. The IRB 360 is a second-generation Delta robot with enhanced performance and improved reliability. This is our palletizing demo cell. We have all three of our palletizing robots in operation today. Our IRB 460 is our 110 kilogram palletizer. We sacrifice a little bit of payload with the robot, but it's the fastest in class palletizer. The IRB 660 is the original member of our palletizing family, introduced in the mid-1990s. The IRB 660 handles the 180 kilogram and 250 kilogram class of palletizing applications. For general purpose, the IRB 660 handles multiple cases per pick and place cycle. The IRB 760 was specifically developed for full layer palletizing. The 450 kilogram payload required the development of a high inertia wrist to manage the 450 kgs during high-speed pick-and-place motion. Robot Studio is our 3D virtual programming technology. Combining Robot Studio with our palletizing power pack allows us to simplify the creation of palletizing work cells. Once the program is developed, we can directly download the program into the robot for operation in the real world. Palletware is our entry-level palletizing programming software. Palletware is developed on our Flex pendant via a wizard-driven program. Palletware can be combined with our AC500 PLC into a complete palletizing control platform.
Beyond our robot install base and our software, we offer a wide range of customer service. This is also involved in dispatch, customer support, parts ordering, and even beyond that, we have a product remote service, which enables us to watch your robot and monitor it wherever it may be.